Good morning. Well, at least it's good morning for me. Your girl is headed back to Denver, Colorado for a ski trip. So I want to take you along with me. If that's something you want to watch, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment as well. I'm going to see you guys in Denver. Bags packed, I'm ready to go. My friend is flying with a different airline, so I'm gonna meet her at the airport, and we're supposed to get there about the same time. So we're gonna see. Bags packed, and of course I did a weight check. I'm at 48 pounds, so I should be good to go on that. Can y'all believe I got everything in one bag? Me either. Alright. Pre-gaming, so I can
You don't even know what that is.
Am I supposed to mix it up?
Yeah.
It ain't mixing, so I get it. I started it.
Sleep on 4. Yeah. How much money on 4?
Well, let me see about my day. First, I got sick on the plane. So I didn't vlog anything from the plane to the hotel, but we finally checked in. We didn't book tickets for the train ride for tomorrow. So, and then they were sold out. Booked them on the car, got there, and they were closed. So now we're trying to figure that out, but we can head out to Foreplay, I think. And then we're gonna figure out that ride in the morning, because we're going skiing. Definitely. But the room is cool. I'm gonna do a YouTubers. I'm gonna do a room tour. Foreplay got food too, right? Yeah, it's a lounge. They got food, drinks, hookah. I ain't fucking on my own friend. It's just the overall.
They don't have no anything, but I can't go for none of them. If I know you, I got this red one. She put a chain up on the same one, even bigger. She threw a shot that I know I'm gonna trigger. I was big dog.
Still, you know, hotels don't give you lights. It's like 5 something in the morning. We're getting up to go to Winter Park to do some skiing today. I'm gonna try to ski today. I'm a little tired. Due to cause, we gotta get up. So luckily I set everything out last night, so I laid out all of my clothes. So all I have to do is just take a shower and get dressed. And I'm so glad we actually got the tickets to the train ride. I was checking that thing like every hour. Got it. So you lit. No driving through the mountains. Oh yeah, it's right here. The station is actually right here, so as soon as we walk out the door. I don't know where we're supposed to go, but we made it to the train station. So now I just gotta figure out which way to go to get in. Leaves at 7, so we got about 20 minutes. It's my first time on the train. I'm so excited. Lighting isn't good. Our ticket guy in Antonio is so nice. And the train ride is so smooth. It's actually a lot smoother than I thought. Like, it's like you can barely feel it moving. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be bumpy or something. I don't know. It's nice. Is it closed? Is it closed? Okay, thank you.
We did ask of all things, ChatGPT.
And the cafe. Oh, you should come here and order food and drinks. Somewhat of a line.
There's a picture of the rating map, and then it says, and then it's donated all the money. Way to go, girl.
So they have these little boxes.
Did you get you a Coke? Get you a Coke. Don't get a half.
Yes. Oh, they do that Coke.
So we got a Coke this morning. I got a very. And then when I was in high school, maybe.
So I think I'm just gonna wait for everybody else to get out before I get off there. Let me show y'all. One of the things I like is we can leave some stuff on here instead of our seats. Not valuables.
We won't talk about it.
We don't have anything to leave. We have made it. So we're gonna go and try to get our lifts. We're gonna try to go on the lifts and go get our skis equipment, see what we can do. And we're also gonna do snow tubing later. So get ready. It's beautiful out here too, y'all. It's amazing. I'm actually gonna be coming back real soon. I'm like already planning the trip to come back. It's a ski ride area. It is a beautiful day. And there's so many people. Yeah.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
You're all dolled up.
Thank you.
Ready to go.
Not quite. Hello.
How are y'all doing today?
Great.
And now, yeah, I'll have you take both shoes off.
Okay.
Alright, sweet. I'll have your other foot now. Alright, you ever gone skiing before?
Yes.
Yeah.
Second time. Let's try this again. That's better.
Alright, I'm gonna have you pick up your snow pant out of the boot a little bit.
Is it better to have little room in the top or?
Yeah, you don't want a whole lot of room at the top. For sure.
Okay.
To your toe. And how often do you ski?
This is my second time.
Second time?
Yeah.
You been here before?
No, first time here.
I haven't tried the double.
Good videos.
You have a helmet, and now we're gonna go to the market rental. I think I'm gonna be feeling some of this stuff. It's definitely hot in here. Okay, out here, and we're gonna do the beginner one. The beginner zone. Beginner zone. Got my skis. And I think I'm ready to go. Putting these skis on. Oh. Listen, my foot won't go in. Huh? That's a big one. Finally, I am in. I'm having this tea. I'll wait to buck up. Okay. Yeah, look how big that omelet is. Food is coming out quick. Okay, I got I think it's called the All-American. Come with the eggs, the hash, bacon, sausage, and it came with toast. I subbed it for the French toast. She got an omelet. And I got a mimosa. You was about to give up.
I was. It was so scary. It was scary. And then the baby slope. I can imagine you coming down those
Girl, I'm
big
trying to
slopes,
tell you.
girl. I cannot. That baby slope had me shaking.
I'm telling you, we stayed up there for hours in the freezing cold. I was like, no, sir. I ain't ever coming out. They probably come to get me. And then it started getting dark. It got colder.
Just coming out of the baby slope, I started like getting scared. And I wasn't even high. It was like I was going so fast. I failed because I was just like, oh Lord. That's not my problem. And maybe if we do get lessons and we learn, we're going to go high.
The one I went to, they kind of showed you like a couple of things without having to get the class. But I think if we do a class, we have to be able to do that.
I think we need a class. That scares me. If I ain't gonna never be able to, I gotta, and I'm not scared of heights. That's what's like, I'm not scared of heights, but I'm scared of the slopes. And that one even higher.
That one you got time to pay her. Whoa. Okay. Go to the bed. Oh, this shit move fast. Oh man, that view is amazing. Well, maybe not forever, but for a couple of days. Hello. Great. How are you? It is.
Pretty bright out here, though.
I love it. Good sun and snow. You said the black with the red. These are the fastest. You want to do the double one first?
Yeah, let's do the double one so we go together. Okay.
Like this right here? Uh-huh. God damn it. This thing is not as easy to walk on as I thought. Now we're going to try the fast lane. I got the fast two. Light bottom, red top.
Let's do it.
Let's go, Al.
Woohoo! Whoa! I was not supposed to be in. So we just got everything out of the locker and we are headed out. And I think everything pretty much closes around 4. You can see like everybody's pretty much leaving to go. We're headed back to the train, which leaves at 4:30. And it's probably gonna be like a 2-hour ride back, like it was from here. I'm gonna see you guys when I get back to the room. Alright, it's our last full day in Denver. So it's Sunday fun day. So you know we're about to go out to a little brunch in. This is the outfits. And of course it's my classic boutique. Don't forget to go shop with me. Yeah, we're heading up. Okay, so apparently tables are all reserved up, so we have to get on the waiting list. So we're gonna try another bar in the meantime. But I actually really love this spot. It's super nice. Definitely giving like Harlem vibes, giving black vibes. They had the band playing in there. Definitely can't wait to get in here. Server told us to try Marigold, so we're gonna go in here. See what this is about. Are they closed? And then 2:30 in the morning. We are headed out. You guys back in the Alright, we are gonna be walking to Union Station, which is again across the street from our hotel. I know I'm jaywalking, but it's like 2:30 in the morning, so ain't nobody out here anyway. And I'm good to see the main side. Do we go in right here or do we go to? I wonder if we go the same way. Well, I guess we can. Or you want to walk down the street? I'd rather walk the street way and then go in the main way. I don't know, I just feel like I can see what's going on over here versus over there. Yeah, for upgrade from.
made it on